Today we are going to be learning about the artwork of a snow globe and making our own snow globes. You will need a piece of paper, a pencil, and something to color with. I used markers, but you can use crayons as well. And you can also use something in the shape of a circle to trace it, which I used a bowl. Snow globes were invented in 1900 by Irwin Percy. He invented it on accident in Europe, and it has been brought joy to many people for looking at the snow globe, shaking it up, and watching the snow or the glitter float around inside of this piece of art. We are going to start by making a circle in pencil on our paper. You can draw your own circle or you can trace a circle. You may want to have a partner help you hold down something that is in the shape of a circle and you can trace around it for this step. You want your circle to be pretty big and you want it near the middle of your paper. Next, we are going to add the stand for our snow globe. We want it under our circle, and you can draw the shape of a rectangle, or I use slanted sides to make it in the shape of a trapezoid. Next, draw a wavy line near the bottom of your circle. This is going to be the snow. Now you can draw whatever winter scene you would like inside of your snow globe. I started with a pine tree. It was easy to draw because it was just a triangle, and then I added a skinny rectangle for the trunk. If you like it, you can try one too, or you can use your imagination to put whatever you want inside of your snow globe. Since winter scenes are often found inside of snow globes, I wanted to add a snowman. I did a big circle, then a medium circle on top of it, and then a small circle on the top. Next, I added 2 small circles for the eyes, and then I added some more circles for the buttons. Finally, I added a triangle for the carrot nose, dots to form the shape of a smiley face, and straight lines for the sticks on the arms. I wanted to add a top hat to my snowman, so I used a skinny long rectangle with a rectangle on top of it to make the hat. You could also add scarves or anything else to dress up your snowman. Now I am finished drawing my winter scene in marker. You can add things like a train or a log cabin or any holiday or winter scene that you want to add. Now get out your crayons or markers. We're ready to color it in. The first thing that I did was I traced around my circle using a black marker. This made the lines darker and show up better. I did the same thing for my stand. I traced it in black marker. Feel free to use any colors or any coloring materials that you would like for this part. Maybe you want to write a message on the stand. I wrote my name and the year 2020. You could write a message, draw a picture, or you can just color it all in one color. I wanted to color the rest of my stand in black, so I put a box around the words and colored the rest of it in using my black marker. Next, I took my green marker and I added some pine needles into my tree using straight lines. I did it going one direction, and then I added some pine needles going the other direction. I wanted the ends of it to be sticking out a bit to make it look like real pine needles. Next, I added some brown into the rectangular tree trunk. I used white paper. My snow is already white, so I just traced over my wavy line using a blue, and then I added in blue polka dots all over for the snow. If you use colored paper, you could use a white crayon for this step. Adding in the snow or the glitter is what's going to make it look like a real snow globe. And that is the special surprise of shaking up a snow globe. Finally, I added a few more details, such as an orange carrot nose, black for the coal eyes and buttons, black for the top hat, and brown for the sticks on the arms. You be creative with your colors. You can use any colors you want for the confetti or the glitter or the snow and everything you put inside. I added some blue curved lines for some texture to the snow, and then it was complete. Another option is you could actually use some colored paper and you can cut out your snow globe and glue it onto some colored paper. This step is optional, and if you like the way it looks on white paper, you can leave it on the white paper too. And here's how mine looked on a red background. I hope that you had fun making your snow globe and sharing it with people in your family on this winter solstice night.